Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with LendingClub for investing in notes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and visit LendingClub's official website. On the home page, locate and click on the Invest button. You will be directed to the Investments section. Next, click on the Get Started button. You may need to create an account if you don't have one already. Fill out your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. After entering your details, agree to the terms and conditions. Then, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a confirmation link from LendingClub. Click the link in your email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the LendingClub website and log in. Now, complete your investor profile by providing additional information. This may include details about your income, investment experience, and financial goals. Make sure to review and confirm all the information you've entered. After completing your profile, proceed to the funding section. Select your preferred payment method to deposit funds into your account. Follow the prompts to connect your bank account or use another funding method. Enter the amount you wish to invest. Once you submit your funding request, it may take a few days to process. After your funds are available, navigate to the Invest section again. Here, you can browse available notes and investment opportunities. Review each note carefully, paying attention to the borrower's credit rating and terms. Select the notes you wish to invest in and specify the investment amount. Once you've made your selections, confirm your investments. Your portfolio will now begin to generate returns as borrowers repay their loans. Monitor your investments regularly through your LendingClub dashboard. Adjust your investment strategy as needed based on performance and market conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.